Good morning, Unity students, parents, and other subscribers. Welcome to the Unity Digital Connections for Thursday, May 21st. Have a great day. Today is a day 3.
Morning, Unity students. Today is Thursday, and today, according to Mr. Nelson, our superintendent of schools, it's Superhero Day. So you can dress like your favorite superhero, or it could be like everyday heroes like nurses and doctors, police, firefighters, anyone who's there to help us during this rough time that we're having. Tomorrow, we're going to do office hours. It'll be at 11 o'clock, and Miss Brady will give you more information tomorrow, and I'll be sending you a link with it. So it'll be from just 11 to 12 this time. Really important, and we keep saying this every time, get your stuff done. We have to let Mr. Kitsero know who's going to be to the point where you're passing, or those who are not passing, that are incomplete. And so let's get it done. We have just a little bit over a week to still do that. As Miss Frady said yesterday, next week we are doing things. They are just probably a little bit different than our normal, like what we've been doing for school stuff, but we are doing things. And those who really need to catch up so that you can get done, you need to do those things to catch up, and then you can decide if you're going to do those things or not. We are going to have a talent show, because the answers to the questions that you guys had, a lot of you have plenty of talent that you do, and we'll give you more information on that. But that starts Tuesday. If you want to do it ahead of time, that's fine. Short talent thing, we'll put a Showbie area for you to send it to us in, and I'll put them together, and I think that we can put those together into a YouTube video, and I'll just do it privately so nobody else can see it. I'll just give you the links. So there's a way that we can do those things. Keep working on getting all of your stuff done. Make sure you stay safe, and we'll get through all of this stuff. Looking forward to next year. They'll let us know some more information as it comes out. We saw Mr. Kitsero yesterday, and he told us they're pretty excited about everybody coming back to school. So hopefully we'll be able to, at some capacity, and they'll let us know about those things also. Have a great day. You take a picture of yourself in a superhero or any of those things, put it on the checklist. See you later.